Welcome, Practical NLP, what success looks like. Let me tell you what's different about somebody who finishes this program. It's not what they know, but it's what they can actually do. Most NLP courses leave you with a head full of jargon and no idea how to use it on a Tuesday morning when your colleague says something that triggers you. This isn't that. By the end of this program, you'll be able to communicate differently, not better in some vague sense. I mean, you'll catch yourself mid-autopilot and choose a different move. With others and with yourself. Name your North Star. Not somebody else's version of success, but yours. And use it as a prompt for those decisions that actually matter. Embrace reality instead of fighting it. You'll stop wasting energy arguing with what is and start working with what's in front of you. Enjoy the journey. Not a bumper stick away, but genuinely find something in the process, even when it's hard. Set up your next adventure. You'll know how to close one chapter and open the next with intention, not drift. Create a life story that's actually yours, not inherited, not borrowed, built from choices you've made on purpose. And perhaps most importantly, you'll understand where NLP generally helps you move forward, not as a magic trick, but as a set of genuinely useful tools for whatever life throws at you. Remember, this is an NLP course, so we're helping you unlock what you already are, which may be far more valuable than any of the above. So what? So whether you are NLP trained or want to join the dots, and you've been here before any formal training, this is where you'll find out whether this way of thinking fits with how you actually want to live and grow. If it does, everything builds on it. I'm Michael Beale, CEO, coach and one-to-one NLP trainer. If you like what I'm doing, you can always book a 30-minute one-to-one video session with me, or if you're ready to keep going, watch the next video. The question: what's the reason you're here now? What made you choose this course over the 100 other resources you could be watching right now? Please write it in the chat. As always, thank you for your attention.